Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a quick look at a brand new 2023 Salem FSX 260RTKX Platinum Edition toy hauler trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, kind of show you what it's all about real quick. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are up inside the brand new 2023 Salem FSX Platinum Edition 260RTKX model here. And I just want to kind of show you around the inside here real quick, and then we'll head back outside and show you around the outside. Let's start back here in the back section and kind of work our way forward. So first things up, there is a magnetic screen here that you can drop down to black things out for privacy, or have it in screen mode, or detach it completely and just have it open. But right now we have kind of dropped it down a little bit of each so you could see what it looks like. So stepping on back here into the patio area, there's room back here so you could set you up maybe a couple patio chairs or something, maybe grill out back here if you've got your own grill or something you want to bring with you. You do have an outside gas grill hookup out there. You'll see when we get out there where you could plug in a portable aftermarket grill if you wanted to. Prepped for a rear observation camera. Garage doors like this are rated for 1,500 pounds when they are in patio mode. They do hold more weight when they are actually down on the ground. So just kind of looking in here, we do have some cabinetry over here, overhead cabinets. There are blackout shades on the windows in the back section here. Electric outlet, USB charger ports here. There is a vent down there. You'll see that a little better when we get outside. The table is completely freestanding, so you can remove it or move it around. There is a little seating area here. There's storage underneath these little cubbies, but you can also flip these up against the wall out of the way. You do got to kind of find a place to stash the cushions if you want. And these are also set up to where you could sleep on them too if you wanted to. So if you got a couple kids, each one could sleep on their own little bench back here. These windows do open. Again, electric outlet and USB charger port down there. Kind of looking up at our ceiling area here, we have skylight, ducted AC, couple speakers inside the roof area here as well. Now right here you could do maybe one or two like Euro style chairs if you wanted to, aftermarket, or a couple lawn chairs or whatever, camp chairs. So you could have a little more seating area in here if you wanted after you get your toys out. Big window over here overlooking the awning side or campsite area of the RV. So kitchen area, we have a high-rise faucet, 3-burner gas stovetop. You have the microwave down below here. There is some storage here. That's actually the water heater right there. There's some storage over on the left. Water heater wise, that is getting you to the bypass area right there as well. This actually is supposed to have a little inspection panel right here. Customers coming to pick it up and they want to show them what that bypass and stuff looks like and how it operates, so they'll put that back on once the customer picks up their unit. Down here you have big bowl sink under mount, stove exhaust vent and fan up there. You have a window back there that does open. Pretty good catches on the doors as well. You got some shelf space there to stash some goodies. Same thing over on this side here, a little more storage space. The 12-volt Everchill refrigerator here. So as long as you got a good battery, this thing will do its thing. Now this is a little unique for a refrigerator freezer setup. You got your freezer on top, refrigerator on bottom, but this actually opens from either direction. So that's kind of cool, a little different. Same thing with your refrigerator part down there. Now you can see as well, there's some D-rings in the floor so you can do some tie downing of your toys and everything. We have electric fireplace by Furrion. It's basically a fancy electric space heater right here. There is a digital thermostat for your propane furnace and your air conditioner. The propane leak detector down there. And we have a radio here, which is currently by Driven. So you can listen to some music, play indoor-outdoor speakers. Got your awning in and out button here. You do have your couple lights, 12-volt tank heaters if you're cold weather camping, gas water heater button, and water pump switch, battery condition, fresh black and gray tank readouts. Room for a TV to go right here. You have electric outlet, you have your cable satellite inlets here, and there is also prepping for a King Wi-Fi setup you can do aftermarket. And then there's another vent up here as well. Now back in behind this door, we're stepping into the bathroom area here. So on the left side here, we have medicine cabinet area. There is some storage down below and another inspection panel down there that you could remove. Step-in shower, glass enclosure, ABS tub surround, and a skylight above. Now over here on the right side is going to be your toilet area. So you got foot flush toilet, some shelf space, and cabinet space back here as well. Plenty of room in here to be able to get in and out of the shower and kind of get dressed and undressed scenario. So into the bedroom area here, we do have an emergency exit window over here that will open. So you got a screen and everything in it. There is also TV hookups and outlet up here as well. So you could put your TV up there if you want. Closet space, you have hanging closet on each side. There is also some shelf space up here. Window over on the other side there does open. There is electric outlet, USB charger port over there, and there is a 30 amp solar charge controller. This one was ordered with a solar package. So we have solar panel on the roof, and again 30 amp solar charge controller there. Bed raises up. So with the bed up, I could reach into my storage compartment if I needed to. I also have these little cubbies right here. And there is a little bit of storage below that you could maybe kick your shoes and stuff underneath of there, out of the way. The bed is on the gas struts, you can see there as well. But overall, for a couple looking for something affordable, to basically kind of haul around maybe a toy or two, go off-roading. If you got maybe a kid or two, you know, there's room back here for them to sleep on these little sofa areas back here as well. All right, we're gonna head outside. I wanna show you around the outside real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we're back on the outside of the brand new 2023 Salem FSX Platinum Edition 260RTKX here. Starting here on the door side of the RV. So this is the Platinum Edition, and that basically means to you that it has a fiberglass side exterior instead of an aluminum exterior. You can get them either way. So we have a gray fiberglass exterior with a lower black metal skirting. You have power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. There is a pretty good size pass-through storage compartment here. Just down below right here, you have a gas line hookup for a portable grill if you wanted to take a grill with you. And then you have one of your 4 quick drop stabilizer jacks right here. There will be one on each corner of the RV. Just below that running light right there is prepping for a portable solar panel that you could plug in aftermarket. Get your little solar panel from, say, Go Power or Zamp, one of those type of people, and they will actually plug right in there. You do have a slightly tinted window on the RV, black frames. You have the heavy-duty More Ride entrance step, which will flip up inside the doorway when traveling. It's rated for 500 pounds, comes down, touches the ground, has adjustable feet on it, so you can kind of adjust it depending on the terrain you're at. Traditional RV entry door and screen door. This one does have a window in it. Just above the open part of the door there, you can see that black rectangle. That is one of your 2 vents for traveling down the road. If you got gasoline in there, as far as, like, say, inside your motorcycle or your RZR or whatever, you're supposed to pop those vents open, so as the gas shakes around inside the RV, it doesn't necessarily build up. It can vent out, basically. Large folding entry handle there to help you get in and out of the RV. You do have cable outlet and electric outlet here, so you could set you up a TV outside if you wanted. And you also have 2 outdoor speakers here as well. Double axle unit, easy lube hubs. It does have drum brakes. Very important to make sure you have a brake controller in your tow vehicle to operate the brakes of the RV. You can see down there one of your rear stabilizer jacks as well. I did put the patio down, you've seen as we were inside earlier as well, and just kind of get you a ground view here of it. On the back of the top part there in the center, you are pre-prepped for a Furrion observation camera. It's a nice safety feature to add to any RV. It basically allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're traveling down the road or when you're backing into your campsite, just making it a little bit easier for you to know what's happening back here. Over on to the side of the RV over here, we do have prepping for the Lippert Stow and Go portable ladder. That's that black rectangle up there in the top corner. That is a telescoping ladder you can buy aftermarket. It just hooks on right there, comes down, touches the ground, allows you to get up and down on and off your roof, and then you can stow it away in the compartment when you're not using it. It's nice, again, being able to detach it. You don't have to worry about your kids or maybe one of the kids at the campground climbing around on your ladder, falling off, getting hurt. So just a little safety detachable ladder you could add aftermarket. The other vent for fumage here, and then you also have your cable inlet here as well. Again, another drop down jack. Detachable power cord right here. Now this particular one is 50 amp service, so that's probably close to a 30-foot cord, I'd say, somewhere right in that range. And again, 50 amp electric adapter cord there. Right here you have your water heater. This is a 6-gallon gas water heater. There is 1 1/16 drain plug right there to drain it out. Pressure relief valve there as well. But a 6-gallon water heater. Right here you have a cold water spray port. So there's a little hose you could plug in there and basically stretch it out a little bit to hose down some things on this side, as far as like maybe rinsing off your dirty RZR or whatever that you might have out there, 4-wheelers or whatever. You have your gravity fill fresh water tank here, city water inlet as well. And then you also have the exhaust for your propane furnace right there. Just above the window is your exhaust for your stove vent. The unit also has a hot and cold outside utility shower right here. Black tank flush to clean out the toilet system located there. Your dump hose holder also located right down here. And then you have your gray and black dumping right here. So you'd hook your dump hose to this, pull your black handle, get all the nasty out, pull your gray handle, help rinse everything out. Overall, pretty cool. affordable toy hauler here. The other side of your storage compartment area here, this customer went with a Blue Ox weight distribution hitch. That is a nice feature to also consider adding. Baggage door here is held up by a magnetic catch. Here I want to pop up these very important informational stickers here for you, just to kind of show you and tell you what they're all about here. So the very first one popping up is your main production data sticker. This has the production date, VIN number, axle sizes, but most importantly on this sticker, gross vehicle weight. That is the most you can load the RV up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. Next is your unloaded vehicle weight sticker here, basically telling you what the RV weighed when it rolled off the factory assembly line, and it also has the length on it as well. Next is your cargo carrying capacity sticker, basically telling you how much gear you can load into the RV before you exceed the gross weight on the first sticker. And last but not least, the tire sticker here, telling you tire size, but most importantly here, cold tire pressure. Very, very important to make sure you keep up with your tire pressure. The tires can only hold a certain amount of weight at a certain pressure. If you let that pressure drop too low, it is easier for your tires to blow out when traveling. The front of the RV is pretty rounded back, so it does have a little more aerodynamics to it than the traditional flat front. There is aluminum skinning on the front. So you had a fiberglass side with the platinum package, and the ramp rear door also had a fiberglass skin on it. But right here we have an aluminum skin on the front with the lower diamond plate. There's room for 1 or 2 batteries to go back here, depending on the size of the battery you go with. There's a battery disconnect there as well. The camper comes with 0 batteries from the RV maker. If you do a battery, or if you do purchase from Couch's RV Nation, you would at least get 1. If you want a second one, talk with your salesperson about that. 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wiring plug that you need to have so that you can work the lights and stuff on there. And then you also have power tongue jack, built-in LED light there, and a manual override in case of an electronic failure. You have 2 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator as well. All right, guys, thanks a bunch for taking the time to watch my RV videos. I really do appreciate it. Please be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.